us begin to paint. Of course, class, ato jung unahon ang ato nga background and we will make sure nga ato adjung na paint ang na-spread out ang tanan nga color corner to corner. Kay if dili na nato siya ma-paint from corner to corner, we will regret later, no? Kay maka-create tag space and when we create our foreground na maglisod na ta kay wala nato unahuman ang ato nga background. So you have to make sure that you have really painted background from corner to corner, and then of course we will blend the color carefully. So muna siya, no? We will actually paint a tree and grasses on a blue sky, and that's evening blue sky with stars and moon. So of course ano na tong background, and then we will put the black one ang ground with the grasses, and we will make sure again that we will paint it from corner to corner, okay? And then naman ta sa first coat, second coat, ug magpaint pa ka og wall, no? If so, that's the term. And now we will paint the moon. Okay, so careful lang gyud. That's a pointed brush para nga dili makatag. And then we will have our a brush nga wide siya, flat siya. Flat brush for the grasses. Okay. So, nagbuhat sa akong trunk sa tree, and actually nasayop ta dihang dapita. It's wrong. Okay, di ba? We said unahon jud nato ang atong background. So we will create stars first, and of course dapat dili palabihan og water kay mo to siya mahitabo. No, dapat paint lang gyud. Make sure nga slight water lang gyud ang iput, or else makamess yung star like what you have seen kanina. So let's proceed to the trunk of the tree. Okay, so nagbuhat na ta og trunk. Hopefully mo work na muna natong stars, no? Dili pwede nga mo paint na ta og tree dayon stars kay murag naa sa babaw ang stars sa tree. No, that should not be. So nahon yun ang mga background, the sky and the stars and the moon, and then we will now create the trunk and the branches of the tree. That's it dapat. And please make sure nga dili i-press you. Do not put pressure on it, especially that we're working on fine details. So hinahinayin lang, light lang yun, na gentle brush, like gentle breeze. Now let us create gentle breeze, gentle touch, no? And then we will create grasses, push and then pack na lang pa out. Oh, mo na siya mahitabo kung dili ka gentle. Hinayon lang yun, light lang yun, lightly. Lightly, do it lightly, do it lightly, like that. So let's continue. So like finish na ang grass. Let's make it with the moon. Okay, and then look at that one. Ang brush ato sana siyang gipush diri sa palette, no, para mukatag kabantay mo ana. Dili kayo bahig messy ang brush. Okay, and then you have to push lightly lang. Dapat diri ka una sa mga branches, near the branches. So na lang chik. Dapat push lightly, push. Then ako ang brush ako sa nang gi-push sa palette sa kanang metal babutanganan og paint, no, para ma-spread ang iyang brush, ang hair sa brush. Is that basta ang hair sa paintbrush akong gi-push sa palette, so para mahimo siyang messy, and then like that push lang nato, push and push. Okay, so let's continue to spread the leaves even more like that sa spaces. Okay, again make sure nga you will put the black paint first near sa branch, and then muna siya from the branches, punch, push ka palayo sa branches, and we're done. That's it.